Hi friends, today we are going to draw something super fun, a winter cabin and a cute snowman. Are you ready? Great! Grab your black marker and let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Okay friends, first let's draw the roof of our winter cabin. Make a big triangle shape on top. Now let's draw curvy, wavy lines under the roof. This shows the snow stuck on the rooftop. Wow, looks cold already. Now draw a big rectangle under the roof. This is our warm, cozy winter cabin. You're doing amazing. Let's make a door, a cute little rounded rectangle. Now draw 2 windows with little cross lines inside. Now let's draw a chimney on the roof. Just a small rectangle with another tiny rectangle on top. Perfect. On one side of the cabin, let's draw a snowman. Make 2 circles, one big, one small. Add eyes, a smile, and 2 little stick arms. Aw, he looks adorable. Now, on the other side of the cabin, let's draw one big Christmas tree. Behind the cabin, draw 2 more Christmas trees. One behind the cabin and one behind the snowman. So many trees! It looks like a winter forest. Now draw small circles all around the sky. These are snowflakes falling down. Beautiful winter scene. Nice job, everyone. Our winter cabin and snowman drawing is complete. Now, let's go over the drawing again and make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show the color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Say the color names while coloring. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
sea green color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Wow, so colorful! Amazing work today, friends. Your winter cabin looks so cute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun and easy drawings with Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.